Doesn't seem like this thing is holding. Sheesh. It's even ripping out the blocking. Board is still there though. So not really. Not in a real good position. Wow. Look at the freaking hole that thing is creating. And this is not safe. Not safe at all. Having an issue with this tree. I don't know why. It keeps leaning no matter what. Thought I had it good for a while, but now it's went back to its old ways. And have to do this temporarily because it is definitely hitting the roof there. But yeah, I don't want to do something like this, but at the same time, it was leaning really bad. So the retaining wall just isn't holding it enough. I think I just came up with a new idea. What I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drill into that retaining wall and then use straps to go around it and then hook it into there. I'm going to actually just drill into these. I've done it in the back with circle hooks on it. Screw those into there for the time being. And then I got to really do something with the soil. Yeah, look, it's really bad. I don't want to put the board there. That's creating a lot of stress. You know what? I got to move that. You know what I got to do too? Put a little towel there so it doesn't really bruise that tree so much. But look at the way that thing is freaking swaying right now. It's crazy. The weather here is very extreme where I am up here on the hill all the time though. Take a look at it from this end. The wind never stops. Alright, so I got the rag. I'm going to put it here at least. This is actually pretty straight. You know what it is? This particular Allen block here, it's not very heavy because it's an end cap anyway. So I'm kind of like afraid. This is taut too. But yeah, I do plan to just drill in. I'll probably drill in down here, that one and that one. And then that should pretty much hold. And then I'll get like a, I don't know, I forget what you call it, but like a clamp thing or whatever. And it just will kind of pull itself in a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh my God, look at the bruising on there. That's terrible.